Terra Luna. The sound of that brings back memories for many and some not so great memories at that. Today we'll be diving into the Terra Luna 2.0 blockchain, of course, and more importantly, we'll be talking about the price prediction for this particular blockchain in the next couple of years. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere as we get right into this one. What's up guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Postman channel. This is your one-stop shop for all your crypto and blockchain information needs. We give you all the news and all the juice as it has to do with crypto and the entire blockchain space. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you know every time we post, because we help you make more informed decisions. And without wasting any further time, let's get right into the business of the day. Terra Luna, course 2.0. Now, if you don't know the Terra Luna blockchain, you, my friend, have been living under a rock for the past year, maybe more, but we'll get into what Terra Luna is, how the 2.0 blockchain came to be, and what the price is expected to be. Now, we can't talk about Terra Luna without talking about UST, which was essentially Terra USD, a stable coin that was created like all stable coins to provide a safe haven for crypto investors in the wild, wild west that is cryptocurrency. But unlike most USD stable coins and fiat currencies, the UST Terra USD was not backed by any real world asset or any currencies or even cryptocurrencies. It was in actual fact backed by itself. Now I know this sounds crazy, but it is what it was. Terra USD is what we would refer to as an algorithmic stablecoin, and what that means is that it depends on a series of smart contracts and basically tech to maintain its peg against the dollar. How that was supposed to work is that through its link with the Terra Luna, the Luna blockchain, the Luna token, it would maintain its value as long as Terra Luna had value. It basically depended on arbitrage to maintain its peg against the dollar. This is putting it very simply. So according to the design, as long as Luna had any kind of value, one UST will always be worth $1. Simple enough? Well, that's what we all thought until the sell-off of Luna begun. Up till today, there are still countless theories as to what actually happened to cause the crash of Luna. But one thing is certain, as soon as people began to dump, as soon as investors began to bail, the price of Luna began to crash and UST lost its peg against the dollar. This is in summary what happened to the Terra Labs empire that brought the $40 billion project down to the ground. Both coins, Terra Luna and Terra USD, were both created by Kwon, a 30-year-old Singaporean Stanford dropout. And even though many experts warned against the dangers of algorithmic stablecoins in a volatile environment like cryptocurrency space, they went ahead with that idea. And almost inevitably, Terra Labs and a lot of investors were burned. Now, according to lots of sources and investigations, Kwon actually knew about the incoming crash of the entire ecosystem, the Terra ecosystem, and began to move money out, which ultimately accelerated the process. According to local South Korean news, it was reported that Kwon transferred about $7 million to a South Korean firm just before the crash of Terra UST. There were also reports that the Terra founder converted all of his holdings to BTC and transferred them to an exchange just outside of South Korea just before the Luna and Terra UST crash. And since the unfolding of all of these events, the US and South Korea have been locked in some kind of a battle or a competition to extradite Kwon from his base in Montenegro to face fraud charges, a competition that the United States seems to now have an advantage over South Korea in. But let's not get carried away. Back to Luna. On May 25th, 2022, Bloomberg reported that there had been a hard fork of the Terra Luna blockchain, resulting in a Luna 2.0 blockchain. As part of Luna's journey towards redemption, all the holders, or at least the holders of Terra USD, that's UST, and the Luna token, now known as LUNC, that's Loon Classic, will receive airdrops or did receive airdrops of the new Luna token to compensate for the losses and the things that they suffered. Now, even though this new blockchain has no affiliation to Kwon and has no relationship whatsoever to UST, it still finds itself somewhat in the shadows of the former empire. However, it's important to note that the future of the Luna blockchain is not something to treat with any kind of levity. It is important for the future of the entire cryptocurrency space because it will set a precedent as to how investors will treat such failed projects in the future. If Luna can actually recover and become a profitable project once again in terms of price action, it will be proof that if a project can get its act together, it can actually regain investors' trust. Obviously, Luna 2.0, that's the current Luna token, launched last year at about $18 to $19 and immediately plunged under $5. Right now, it is trading at about $1.24 to a token. Experts predict that the price of Luna will oscillate between $5 and $6 this year in a bullish scenario, of course, and in the year 2024, leading up to 2025, it would oscillate between $4 and $5. Now, Changelly, a crypto firm that started out as an exchange of sorts, I would say a swap protocol instead of an exchange, they predict that by the year 2030, the price of Luna should be at an average of $32.11. But we don't have a crystal ball. These are just experts' opinions based on research and based on forecasts. However, what do you think about the Luna token? Is it going to recover the heights that LunC lost? Is it going to make a comeback and become one of the bigger players in the cryptocurrency space? Let's know what you think in the comments down below. And as always, we are open to interacting with you. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you know the very next time that we post. And I will see you very shortly in the next video. Be blessed.